Are you considering buying the Bose QC45 headphones in 2023? With so many noise-canceling headphones on the market, it can be very tough to know whether the Bose QC45 headphones are worth the investment. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the price, the value for money, and the pros and cons of these headphones. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of whether the Bose QC45 headphones are right for you in 2023. So let's get into it. Inside of the box, you'll get the case, and inside of the case is where you'll find the headphones, a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and a 3.5 to 2.5 millimeter TRS cable. Bose has been around for 60 years and have been making noise-canceling headphones since 1984. Now, Bose claims to have the best active noise-canceling headphones on the market. I can honestly attest to that after trying these out. Other than the great noise cancellation on these headphones, you also get an aware mode, 22 hours of overall battery life, with a 15-minute quick charge feature that will give you 3 hours of playback, and a 6-array noise-rejecting mic system, which you will hear later in the video. So these released in September of 2021 at a price of $330, and that is exactly what I paid for them in April of 2023. But at the time of recording this video, they're currently on sale for $280. They come in at a weight of 236 grams wirelessly and 244 grams with the included TRS cable. They connect to your device using Bluetooth 5.1, or if you need to, you can also use them with the included cable. On the left ear cup is a large button that you press once to toggle between the active noise canceling and the awareness modes, twice to mute, and press and hold it to activate the voice assistant, whether that's Siri or the Android equivalent. On the right ear cup, you have your volume buttons on the top and bottom, and a middle button that you press once to play or pause your music, or you can also use it to answer or end your phone calls. You press it twice to skip to the next song, you press 3 times to start the song over or go to the previous track, and you can press and hold it to decline calls. Now let's get into an audio test to see how well those noise rejecting microphones perform. This is an audio test of the Bose QC45 headphones. How do these sound? I'm currently in my backyard. There is a landscaping company mowing my neighbor's yard right now. I don't know how well these mics are actually drowning out that noise and isolating my voice, but this is currently what it sounds like. And this is what it would normally sound like if you were taking a phone call or a business call on Zoom or something like that. So you let me know down in the comments how well these headphones sound. Alrighty, back to the studio. If you're finding this video informative, go ahead and hit that like button just to let me know. Alright, now let's get into the pros of these headphones. One of the things I love the most about these headphones is the long battery life. I tested them out this past weekend while I was smoking a brisket. I wore them for at least 12 hours over the course of 2 days, listening between 75 and 100% volume, and had about 60% battery left after those 2 days of heavy use. Another pro is that this case is super compact. It fits easily into a backpack when you're on the go. You can also download the Bose Music app to adjust the EQ settings as well as keep them up to date. Another huge pro is that these headphones are really comfortable. They're really light and they don't have a strong clamp force, so they're not fatiguing to wear for long periods of time. They also have super comfortable leather ear cushions with a great seal to make sure that the ANC mode does its job, as well as some leather padding for the top of your head. Now, to talk about the audio quality on these things, all I can say is that they're very clear and well balanced between the lows, mids, and the highs. I've noticed that these seem to have a level of detail that I haven't experienced on any other headphones that I've used. I've been able to hear instruments and other ambient noises in some of my favorite songs that I didn't even know were there. Now let's get into the things that I didn't like about these headphones. One of the biggest cons of this headset for me personally is that they're not bass heavy. I'm the type of person that listens to a lot of different genres, and they do really well in classical and rock music, but they don't deliver on those kicks and 808s in hip hop and rap music. Now, if you stick with me to the end of the video, I will show you how to combat this with the EQ settings in the app. Now, I spoke about the ear cushions in the pros section, and while they are very comfortable, they are made out of leather, and so they're not breathable. So when it's hot outside, they can stick to your ear and make you sweat, and it's not a comfortable feeling at all. So while researching about issues with these headphones, I kept running across issues of audio dropouts. Now, I've only had this happen to me one time, and after a firmware update in the app, I haven't had it happen to me again at all. Now, a potential con for these headphones is the footprint. You know, some people may not be looking for over-the-ear headphones, but still want to have the best active noise canceling and awareness modes. So I'm going to give you a couple options here. If you want to stick with Bose, they have the Quiet Comfort Earbuds 2 coming in at $250. They have the Beats Studio Buds Plus coming in at $170. And if you have an iPhone, Apple's AirPod Pro 2s coming in at $200. Now I'm currently testing the Beats Studio Buds Plus, and if you want to see a review on that, it'll pop up right here as soon as that video is posted. Now the last con for these headphones is the price. It is priced at $330 in 2023, and you can get something newer with longer battery life and better specs for active noise canceling and awareness modes. So I said earlier that I would show you my EQ settings to kind of combat the lack of bass in these headphones. So what you want to do is you want to go into the Bose app, you want to click on your headphones, and you want to click on EQ. So what you're seeing right now is my hip hop / rap EQ, but I'm also going to leave my all around listening EQ in the description below. If you've made it to this part of the video, go ahead and type EQ down in the comments just to let me know. So to answer the question of whether or not you should buy the Bose QC45 headphones in 2023, if it were me, I definitely would do it, especially if you can find it on sale. I love the fact that you can EQ these headphones through the app to listen to things like classical music and YouTube videos, but then I can also switch it up to get that punchiness for the kicks and 808s when I'm listening to hip hop. If you're looking for top of the line noise canceling headphones with excellent sound quality and battery life, and you're willing to invest in a premium product, then the Bose QC45 headphones could be a great choice for you. Now, after considering the price, the value for the money, and the pros and cons that I've mentioned in this video, I hope that you're able to make an informed decision on whether these are right for you in 2023. If you've gotten any value out of this video and you want to see more product reviews and unboxings, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.